Welcome back to DRx Learning Hub. Today, I'm inviting you to discover the magic of your special senses, the unique tools that help you see the colors of a sunset, hear your favorite song, savor the taste of pani puri, and even maintain your balance on a moving bus. Let's dive right in. First up, vision, the sense that paints your world with light and color. The eye is a marvel. The transparent cornea focuses the incoming light, while the iris, the colored part, adjusts the pupil size to control light entry. The lens fine-tunes focus, directing the image onto the retina. Here, rods give you night vision, and cones let you enjoy vibrant colors. The optic nerve then carries these signals straight to your brain, making you see what's around you in real time. And don't forget, eyelids, lashes, and tears are always on guard to protect your eyes from dust and dryness. Moving on, hearing. The ear is more than just a listening device. It balances you too. The pinna collects sound waves and funnels them down the auditory canal to the eardrum. Vibrations pass through three tiny bones, malleus, incus, stapes, which amplify the sound. Inside the inner ear, the cochlea transforms these vibrations into nerve impulses. At the same time, the semicircular canals and vestibule keep you steady, whether you're running or doing yoga. The auditory nerve sends all this info up to your brain, so you can groove to music and stay upright. Next, taste. Your tongue is a taste detective, loaded with taste buds on papillae. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Each sensation is picked up by special receptors, sending messages via facial, glossopharyngeal, and vagus nerves to your brain. That's why the first bite of your favorite food feels so satisfying. Smell time. Hidden high in your nose are olfactory receptors that trap odor molecules. These signals travel straight to the olfactory bulb and then to your brain, explaining why memories and emotions are often triggered by a whiff of perfume or fresh rain. Fun fact, taste and smell work together, making your meals truly flavorful. And finally, equilibrium. Deep in your inner ear, the semicircular canals detect rotation, while the utricle and saccule sense linear movement and gravity. The vestibulocochlear nerve carries these inputs to your brain, making sure you don't topple over when you stand on one leg. To sum up, your special senses, vision, hearing, smell, taste, and balance, work non-stop, helping you interact with the world in ways you might take for granted. So next time you enjoy a sunset or savor a meal, remember the incredible science making it all possible. Like, share, and subscribe to DRx Learning Hub. Thank you.